What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. It's Kisaka, it's underscore Kisaka. That's my YouTube channel name. I'm so happy to have you back on my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, and also remember to share this video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate and I thank you for always coming back, taking your time to watch my videos. Mr. Beast, one of the best YouTubers in the world, has recently been in Jamaica and the Caribbean countries, and he has done a very good job by building houses to uh, poor families, poor Jamaican families and other Caribbean families. That is more than around 100 houses. This is a very good thing from YouTubers. And before I speak about Mr. Beast, I would also take this chance to thank the Jamaicans who are standing with other Jamaicans. That is the Jamaicans abroad are standing with the other Jamaicans abroad and ensuring that they support them. They do remittances to enable the livelihood of most of the Jamaicans by building home. Jamaica has a lot of uh, people of Jamaican origin living in the diaspora. That is the Canada, USA, UK, and other places. That is very good of them. And also, thank you for supporting your African brothers and sisters by watching the videos and commenting on the videos, and also financial support. Jamaica needs people like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is one of the best YouTubers in the world with billions of subscribers and with millions of views. Let me just say billions of views, and with so many channels. At the moment, he's having around 40 channels in different languages. One good thing about him is the philanthropic work or the help that he's giving to people. Like he was in Africa and he dug a lot of wells, not wells, boreholes. That is in places where they were having water problems, and you can see he's offering solutions to problems that are affecting Africa, and not only Africa, also the different parts of the world. That is very good. In as much as he's entertaining people, he is also offering solutions to problems. Most of the leaders or the other politicians have been around for many years, and yet they have not done what Mr. Beast has been able to do, which is I say kudos to him. If Jamaica could be having like even just 10 people like Mr. Beast in Jamaica, not also the other Caribbean countries, they will be far, and a lot of great things could happen. Talking of also the Jamaicans who are supporting other Jamaicans and other Caribbean people living in the diaspora, it is very good of what you are doing. You are improving your nations irrespective of wherever you are by your remittances. For example, Jamaica, the remittances that Jamaica has been getting has been very supportive, especially during the COVID period. The remittances helped a lot for the Jamaicans to survive. Jamaica has been exporting less as compared to the imports that Jamaica has, the imports. So the deficit has been quite large, meaning that were it not for the remittances and the tourism, the income coming from tourism sector, Jamaica could be in trouble. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for support, and I really appreciate what Mr. Beast is doing. You can see he has set up houses free of charge and fully furnished for the Jamaicans and some part of the Caribbeans. In the end of the video, I think he has gone to, that could be Puerto Rico, if I'm not wrong, because they are speaking they are not speaking in English. So I say thank you and congratulations to all the Jamaicans standing with other Jamaicans and other Caribbean nations, supporting them. Keep on supporting them. Keep on supporting Jamaicans. You know, when Jamaicans are happy, we Africans are also happy. And when Africans are happy, also Jamaicans are happy, because Jamaica and Africa is like one thing. You know, Jamaica is a black nation outside of Africa, because irrespective of the different people that make Jamaica, 90% or 92% of Jamaicans are actually black, with tracing their origin from Africa. So we are happy for that kind of thing, and the Jamaican government should emulate that and offering solutions like that, and people should be able to give up some of their belongings, and actually be generous and help one another. We should love one another, should help one another. I also saw there are some people, some channels doing the same through the help of the Jamaicans living abroad, helping the Jamaicans ayad. This is highly encouraged. We should stand with one another. Whenever your brother is in need, do the necessary, do the help. In times of crisis, coming together, helping one another, that is highly commendable. Thank you, guys. This has been the video for today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, hitting the bell notification icon, so that in case I get to post, you'll be notified. And also don't forget to share this video to other people. See you on my next video.